Hi, Hersh Hawks. Miss Harris here, Library Media Specialist. Just wanted to share with you guys how to get on the Follett to find your book resources from the library. So you log into your actual MySpring ISD the way you normally log in using your teacher credentials. And then once you get there, you click on the instructional. Once you click on instructional, you go to Follett book search, book search. You find our school, Hersh. Once you do that, you log in using your regular credentials, and you can see there are also some of the sites that we have there for you guys to use. But you log in using your regular teacher credentials. Once you log in using your regular teacher credentials, you have access to Follett. And what you can do here is if you're searching for something in particular, you're doing a lesson on informational literacy, you type it in and you click search, and everything we have on there would come up. If you see on the left tab, you see here you have author, subject, genre, format, accelerated reader, series, everything you need on there. Also at the top, you have collections and databases. That's important for you all to see that because that helps you guys out with finding different things about that. Like if we go to Hispanic Heritage Month, use that. It has books that may actually be in relation to that. So there's things that may be easier for you. Now, dealing with information literacy is still there, but there are things that will come up dealing with that. All subject, visibility, and grade, all that comes up here. Also, let me try this again. Heritage Month. Here we go. I'm using this. Type. So we type in Hispanic Heritage Month. We click search. If you want to know information about that, all the books will come up for there. You also can go into a whole list of things for you guys. There are also databases. Databases is good. You have information that you can use there on this side to kind of sort of help guide you with finding information, more information. You have fact monsters that will have different things about Hispanic Heritage Month for you all. You also have the Gale context. That should be there. You have Britannica, Awesome Library. So there are different things that you can use within the actual Follett Destiny that can help you with information for your lessons as well. So you go there, click on there, and that's a way to find information and how to help you. Going back to the beginning, you click on Discover, which takes you back to the front part. This is what tells you what's in, what Miss Harris just added. Here are popular titles. It tells you what's out, different topics that you may want to explore and go into. You click on our ebooks, interactive ebooks is there for you all. Also, if you click on here, that just takes you to different collections as well. So I'll go back here and go back to Destiny Discover. If you click on any of these books and you want to know exactly a little bit more about it, you're not sure what it's about, click on it, click on more details, and there is it gives you the information. If you want to hold it, you just click on hold, and I'll be in our system, and we'll have that there for you all. You want to add it and save it for later, you can click on favorite. If you want to put it to collection, you can do that as well. So going back here, if you want to go to actually to figure out how many copies we have of something, you go to catalog, click on, we could do Judy Blume, and we click on there, and you see also keyword titles, all of those interesting things that kind of help you with finding things as well. But we click on Judy Blume, and Judy Blume should come up. You can see how many copies of each of her stories we have, what's available, any details, information we need on there, that's there. Excuse me. Also here, if you need to change and you want to look up all Spring ISD schools, you can do it that way. That may find more books, and we can put holes there, get things sent. It tells you accelerated reader programs. So there's just some things, just a little bit of an overview of what you can do on Destiny Follett. Again, Destiny Discover, you click there and that's your main page, and you can pretty much just type in what you think you may want to be interested in, and it will come up for you all. Again, Miss Harris, I'm here for you all. If you need any help with anything, you have questions, I more when I'm not in the classrooms, I'm there to help. Mrs. Crump is also there in the library. She's there to help as well. And again, don't hesitate to reach out if you need me and need us. Again, just want to give you a quick little overview in case you maybe forgot or you're not sure on how to find books and find your research books, your books in Destiny Discover Follett. Again, Miss Harris here. I hope it helps a little bit, and I'm creating a virtual bookmark for you guys as well. Hope you receive that, and that has some information on there too to kind of help you. You also can go to Spring ISD and you have Harris County Library. That's an awesome, wonderful source for you guys as well. Those of you who like Tumble books, that's there through there as well. Get your sign up for your library card, and you will have access to Tumble books as well as a whole host of sources you can use as well. They have videos, just a lot of wonderful things. And I have printed out some library applications in there in the actual library too. So if you don't feel like going by yourself and picking up a copy to send off in, just come on by, shoot by the library, fill it out, and I don't mind dropping it off. But again, I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit about that and remind you how to use Follett Book Search. And again, here to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day.